habireho kurebera okutangara hakakiiko k'ebyobururu mu district ya Kikuube obwo omuntu w'ekigombe kya NRM kibire kiire ebendera omu kugarukwamu akaruru ka chairman wa district Philip Mbabazi Barnett ori mutabani wa Major General Matayo Chargonza kuremwa kuhikiriza ebyokwetengesebwa akakiiko k'ebyobururu.
We were here doing a nomination of LC5 Kikuube district. So apparently we had an issue. I know there are people who've been behind this process, but then we have been fighting these guys. They're invisible, but then we kind of found them out. You won't even believe it. On 2 occasions, I had appeals over me. Finally, they had even connived to have me nominated at 4:30, knowing that we only had 30 minutes to the close, and they knew they were going to bring this against me.
Aho naho Dr. Rose Melsendi ndorukujunanizibwa n'ebyokusherra obuhagizi omu kigombe kya NRM obirashendekerize omuntu wabo atiira amasimu gaho naho bayihindurira omuhini nk'empango bahereza ebendera obire naza kwesimba nka independent Padexembo.
The candidate that was elected in the primaries is not the one that has been nominated as the party candidate, because there was just one mishap or one challenge in his papers, and it was about the name on his documents. He studied from America. The documents from America are indicating 2 names, Philip Mbabazi. But the deed poll that was done in the Gazette is showing a 3rd name, Chargonza. So of course that alone, as the Electoral Commission, could not go ahead to nominate with papers that have some question mark.
Twin Emmanuel, being returning officer for Kikuube Electoral District, pursuant to the Local Government Act, Cap 138, declare Sembo Pade duly nominated as a candidate.
Seninde najira nkunke ekigombe tabakubasa kuremwa kufuna omuntu orukukikwatira ebendera omu karuru.
Fenna kitususse songa kye tulina okukola kimu kulaba nti ekibiina ky'NRM kiteeka okubeera ne candidate, kubanga abantu b'Ekikuube bawagira NRM ate bonna noona abadde eyajja owokubiri naye wa NRM ate ekyokusatu ng'ali wiiringa era ng'akkiriza okuyimirirawo lw'ekibiina.
Emmanuel Twine orukurra ebyokuteera akaruru mu district ya Kikuube nagira ngu abantu 6 nabo bahiireyo empapura bitu bahandikira abantu 2 bonka owa NRM Padexembo hamwe na Finehas Timanyire ow'ekibiina kya National Unity Platform.
Their documents were lacking somehow here and there. I may not go into details, but some of those candidates didn't come back. 2 didn't come back, but 2 came, but we found some errors in their documents which could not allow them to be nominated.
We have oil and gas here, but our people are not getting employment opportunities. You see other faces from other regions getting employment opportunities. Look at agriculture. Our farmers are not empowered anywhere anymore. So we are going to create cooperative units.
Akaruru kokugarukamu okutoorana chairman wa district ya Kikuube nikaza kubaha 2018 by'okwezi kwa mukaaga omwaka ogu bwanyuma ya Peter Banorobira torinwe kuba nka chairman wa district egi 2020-2031 okufeera omu Rubutandu aha biro 4 by'okwezi kwa kana. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.